and stormy day, and the biggest misunderstanding ever was about to begin.
Baba? Leaving?
Bob, no! They thought Bob was packing up and moving out. Balatu? Ulu?
Oh, nuh-uh. Please stay, Bob.
Decided it was time for extreme measures.
Blah. Pooh.
Stop, Bob. Stop! Wait, Bob wasn't going to the airport. He was going to the...
Huh? Roof broken. Truth was finally revealed. Silly right about now.
Crying, they just needed to communicate. Be chore day, but he found something much better.
Ooh.
Whoa! Bam! Yeah!
Decided this needed rules. He was the boss now. Banana, boga boga do, order, banana ba, poo poo, trays.
Whoa!
Bert didn't want to march. He wanted to fly. Bello? Blech, babuya! Yeah, babuya, ARGH! Chasing them around wasn't working. They were a team, not robots.
Victory screech!
I like it, cut G.
Be a disaster this time?
La cucaracha. Bumblebee. Baba.
Mother, the dance was perfectly perfect.
Bananas. Y-E-E-T.
Oh, at least they finished the dance together.
Perfectly sunny day in the garden until the great water mystery began.
Ah, yes, the magic splashy tube.
So shiny.
Peaceful. Until someone touched the handle. Ba ba ba.
Oh, the pipe was completely loose.
Whoa! I'm all dizzy.
Nice.
Stand back! I am the waterproof...
I miscalculated.
One eternity later.
Save the day? Or make it worse?
Ow. Big mess.
Wait! We need to work together. Teamwork.
Bido, bello, la cucaracha, papoy, gelato.
Push pipe. Tighten bolt. Done.
With a little teamwork, they fix the puzzle.
A lot more fun.
And Kevin brought something very special. Ooh. No. But sharing is caring, Kevin. Hey!
One eternity later.
Oh? Now no... Lilo ti amo. Papoy! Banana! Teamwork to the rescue! Go! 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 What a jump! Almost. What? Gotcha!
Phew. That was a close.
Bello! Papadom! Pupaye!
Para tu. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
This is fine.
Thank you.
Sharing makes everyone happy!
Teamwork and sharing always win the day.
How did Bob end up as Monster Chow? Let's rewind. Ah! The slime. Heard a very normal conversation. Gasp! A giant beast? To wipe us? Emergency! They are sending a blue beast to eat us! It has giant teeth and spits acid. We have to escape through the vents. Let's go! Begins. Or so they thought. It's spooky in here. It's spooky in here, and look. The toxic acid. Just
Don't touch it! It will melt you! I'm a clown.
just bubblegum soap. Dodge. Duck. Do you hear that? It's the blue beast. Run for your lives! It wants to eat us!
I know of a place.
Jump! It's a trap! This is the end! Goodbye, bananas! This is soft, and it smells like bubblegum? It! Ta-da! I am so clean! was just the new Vent Scrubber 3000. Talk about an Ooh! Wipe out the pests meant dirt.
My turn. Yeah, I'm a clown.
I'm actually the best bubble bath ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Dragon Racing Championship. We are the Ultras.
I feel so pretty!
Hi! Hey guys!
Glitching. Time for the monster to EET the champion.
Us? He's gonna eat me first! Me too! Yeah! Give me... Run for your lives! Hey, wait up! Why are we running? Tiz, take this, you beast!
One eternity later.
Wow! Obstacle course! Wow! Obstacle...
Maybe he won't see my bright pink dress.
Tiptoe very fast! Ultimate defense sequence! Yay! Yay! A party! Owl demon! Take the banana! Spare me! Ah! Whew.
Oh no! Banana! Give it.
My goggles are scratched. Wait, Kevin? You aren't a monster? Understanding.
We thought you wanted to eat us.
If you loved our silly racing adventure and want to see more funny outfits, make sure to like and subscribe.
Look at that!
Whoa!
Ooh.
Kevin Mutante! Uno, dos, tres!
Yikes! Whoa! Poof! Looky!
Kevin!
To the trail.
Yes!
Whoa, whoa, pull, pull! Hang on.
Stop! Stop it! No! Stop!
Yay! Normal! Teamwork! Thinks it is all over for his buddies! Hello! Wah! It all started with a hyperactive pet!
Oh,
Ooh, doggy!
I'm a clown.
Bananas on the loose! Cruise Halloween display!
Shut up and take my money!
Doggy?
Yum banana.
One eternity later.
completely misunderstands the... Hey! Stupid foam.
Stu?
We're okay. We're fine. Yay! We're sound. Oh boy! Just in time for gotcha. Phew. Now they just have to clean it up before Gru gets back. Dog made a huge mess today. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video for more Minion Madness. Bello will be the ultimate nurse to save him. The race is ON. I am the best nurse. No Minion flu. Ugh, need soup. Nurse Bob is here. Nurse Stewart is better. Move over. Maximum comfort activated. I can't breathe. Cool down sequence. Too cold. Too cold.
Nice.
Game on.
Not if I get it first. No. Eat the magic soup. Oh. Time for a relaxing massage. You look so relaxed. My turn. Time for soothing lullaby game.
Imagination.
Title of best nurse. Oh no! Well, that's one way to admit. Hey! I feel fantastic. Turn to be the nurse. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It was crazy. I guess I'm the doctor now. If you laughed, smash that like button and subscribe for more madness. See?
What? Ooh, did the minions just find a secret treasure map?
Boy, ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba boy, ba 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 ba. Next stop, the treacherous mate sandbox.
Me want banana.
Stupido. They are getting close to the X on the map.
Banana.
Heave.
Imagination.
Yeah! The greatest treasure of all! Treasure hunt was bananas. Subscribe for more Minion fun. Bye-bye.